Hi everyone. Today we'll be learning about the Babylonian system. Have you ever heard of it? Well, it's very interesting. It's a new numerical system. Do you know that our system is called the Hindu-Arabic system? Well, if you don't know the Babylonian system, come on, let's venture into the amazing world. First up, we'll have a look at the contents we'll be learning today. The major three symbols, which is like 1 to 10 in Hindu Arabic, that we use to represent numbers. They also use these to represent numbers. Second, we'll be learning about their base, which is a base 60. You know, we, the Hindu Arabics, use base 10. Well, basically, it means once we reach that number, we'll go to a new place value. Third, we'll do some converting, where we convert Hindu Arabics to Babylonian. Well, last but not least, it will be Q&A time. If you have any questions, feel free to post it in the comments down below. Well, let's now venture. The major three symbols, well, let me introduce you to the right-hand side. Look, these are the numbers in Babylonian from 1 to 59. Well, I'll talk about it later. Let's go here first. Well, the first symbol, which is two triangles side by side with sticks sticking out, they are equals to 0. It stands for 0. Well, it's same like place value. If you want to say 100 in Hindu Arabics, you just don't put 1. You put 100. This is for that purpose. The next upside down triangle, as you see, you can guess what it is. Yes, you are right. It is 1. Well, the last but not least, we'll have this inverted triangle. It looks like a Pac-Man. Well, anyways, it's equals to, you guessed it, 10. Well, now look at here. This is actually an upside down triangle. 1. This is 2. It's not this. As you see, this hasn't gone up a place value yet. So therefore, we could never have a 10, right? So, well, if it goes up a place value, like for example, it's 60, then we will have 6 of these things in the second, well, 6 of these things in the second place, and 1 of these things on the first place, right? So, moving on, next slide, let's do some converting while learning about the place values. Look, so in this place, is the multiples of 1, the first. It always is. So this is 60 to the power of 1, which is 60. So this. Look, we have 2 tens in 1's place. So 2 tens times 1 equals 20. And we have 0 in 60, so it's 0. Well, 24, as you see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 20. And 1. All right, let's look at the results. Okay, so as you see, 216,000 times 1 equals 260,000. 3,600 times 24 equals 86,200. 20 times 1 will be 20. Add them together, you get 302,220. Well, very big number. But once you get the hang of it, nothing is too hard. Well, let's move on. Converting. No worries, it won't be hard. It's just simple converting. I'll do it together with you. Well, let's see. First question. What's 4,000 in Hindu Arabic equals to in Babylonian? Well, I'll give you time to work that out. And in the meantime, those of you who have completed early can do second question, 3,600. All right, let's wait for a while. Okay, well, have you done? Never mind, no worries. I'll give you a hint. See, let's dissect what 4,000 is made up of. 4,000, as you can see, will have 3,600, I mean. Or you can put it as one of those in the third place value, right? You mean 160 and 3,600. So after there is one of 3,600, you can see that it has 6, remainder 40. Am I right? So therefore, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? 6 60s equals to 360. Well, last but not least, we have a remainder of 40. So we have 40 in the ones place. The next one is simple. We just have 1 in the 3,600 place. And don't get tricked by this. You must have a 0 and one more 0 to stand in for the 60s place and the ones place. Do you get it? Never mind, you can post questions in the comments down below. I'll be gladly happy to answer them. Well, moving on. More converting. This is called cuneiform. Well, Babylonian, they call it cuneiform. And Hindu Arabic is our system. Can we do together how to make this work? Well, look. We can know this is a place value and this is a place value. These are combined. Well, let me give you some questions, some time to do it. All right, let me explain. This, in the first place value, if they didn't put a 0 here, this will, by default, be the first place value. Therefore, it will be 1, 1, which equals to 1. And this, the 60th place value, will equals to 6. 1 times 60 equals 60. So, you got it right, didn't you? It's 61. The next question, there's a 0 here. Standing for the ones place is 0. So, for second place, remember it's not 10, it is 60. 2 of ones equals 2 times 60 equals 120. So, you got it right again. 120. The last one, this is tricky. Don't separate them. They are stuck together. They are one place value. So they are in the ones place value. So 20 here plus 3 ones will equals to be 23. Did you get it right again? Congratulations to all who got it right. Didn't get it right? Never mind. With more practice you'll get the hang of it. Well, thanks for watching. You can post your questions in the comments down below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.